What's up, guys? It's your girl Stiff Breast and your girl
Missy,
and we are back with another video, guys. See now the time what kind of video we are gonna do today. Well, today, guys, we are gonna
teach her how to make porridge.
Well, today, guys, she don't know how to do arrowroot porridge, so me I go demonstrate
teaching me
how to make arrowroot porridge. Guys, if you want arrowroot, you can check me up, link me up, yeah. You know all them, you know what it's good for arrowroot. I mean, I tell her, say this, I want good porridge for drink, good for grow even young baby, yeah. And you know it's good. I'm not even say nothing. If you don't want to know, no link me up.
So don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Leave a comment after you watch the video, guys. Want to think about the porridge and she go demonstrate. Sorry, how that be?
Yes.
Whatever. She go show me how she make the porridge and thing, because me can't make arrowroot. Me can make porridge, you know, but I cannot make arrowroot porridge. And me did it yesterday because I was a making. And now give me none of my till last one I want. So today is my lucky day, guys. So journey with us. Okay?
Yes, so guys, I'm gonna light the stove now. I'm gonna add my water.
Let me cut the camera a little nearer. So
just 1 cup of water me use. So
okay.
Cinnamon leaf. So you don't know me, I go wash it. Drop it in the pot. So you see me use 1 cup of water, so me I go add. See some cold water. But me I go add the arrowroot too. So this 1 spoon.
Okay.
2 spoon, 3 spoon. Never use 3 now. Well, so
mix
guys,
it up together.
You have to mix it out.
I'm gonna show them in a cup. That show good. The camera, right?
Seem like where that mix out. Can't me either mix out this.
Yep.
Mix it straight out. Cause me want my arrowroot fi. When me go so, it now come off like how this a run off. It well thick. Good for the man them, nah lie. Man them a drive truck. I run I drive every day. I been in the ground and I work hard. This a good, this a porridge good food.
Hope it tastes good.
So I'm gonna wait till the water warm. Now if you boil up the water warm. Yeah. Kayla, why you have to do so?
And that one no peep.
How you want your porridge, Kayla?
It's not finished as yet, so I can't eat it more.
So you see me I mix out it, guys. Me I mix out it too. I have to make the stove turn up so I turn it on. So guys, the one you for the man them. Me I make a one you for the man them. The porridge for the man them. When time me chew night. Let me see. Yeah.
Stir meanwhile you are chewing it. That's similar to caramel porridge though. But you start get thick already.
Start get thick. Guys, see this? This is a real arrowroot porridge.
I hope this stays in.
So you have to turn it down. You see it?
Oh my!
Arrowroot porridge.
But then see the thickness.
See it? Guys, real arrowroot porridge. See this? Yeah. Can't make it stick up. Pass one dish towel.
Let me set the camera. But then go and see.
can make it thicker if you want it, guys. You can make it thicker. See that?
So this are the dish towel. At first, this you just put it in actually thick.
Yeah, so
you put the what they call it? The cinnamon leaf in at the same time.
I think.
Or you put in there first. Guys, this is the very thick.
See this?
And it just clear.
Alright guys, so
I hope it tastes good because I'm not really a fan of porridge.
So,
I don't really like porridge, so
me are going to every step I eat. So me are grate and me nothing egg now.
So it cooked that quick?
Yeah, you know what 2 minutes.
Okay.
So me are grate and me nothing egg. Grate and me nothing egg.
I'm showing again, guys, the step of it.
What's the vanilla?
Vanilla.
Vanilla and there.
Vanilla, and then I put what do you call it? Lasco.
Me I can put vanilla
Lasco. Okay. I don't know what my man ate to the either. I know mama just tight because you know, but this
So guys, me I just sweeten it now.
it cooked even faster than what do you call it, porridge? Cornmeal porridge.
Fresh. So me have to mix up some more Lasco and add to it. This is called ends.
Me have to use my phone. Take out this what I tripod, Kayla.
So me not taste it again because I bun me.
Yeah, if it tasty. Say if it's fresh, coming on a fresh porridge. What about the details again?
You see this, guys? Good for your back. Lot of boy, me not even tell you. If you don't want to know, you don't have to text me different and tell you what it's good for. And me have a real arrowroot. See there?
It's a calling me now get them. They must have done something there.
No credit.
You know must have been. So it's finished. I'm gonna make it simmer a little down.
One and a half.
I put too much in the car now and extra sweet and the last go sweet. You see that?
Put on it. People at the video you come in and give problem. Come out, man. Go and check it food.
So coming comes.
I never put sugar in there. Never do none of the sugar in there. And just like I always use milk, you know, I can't that vanilla last.
But the milk would have fresh and stiff. Yes, last come. Oh, tin milk.
Yeah.
Oh.
You see it? Watch this, guys. Watch out. See this? What this look like to you? Ladies, come in. What is?
Stiff, you're
What is? The real arrowroot porridge. Ladies, you know you have a man and him a work hard. Get this. Yeah.
Okay.
Not only cornmeal porridge and plant porridge and amani.
What's porridge?
Get somebody great, get the real arrowroot, great tight. You know, and the little thing, yeah. real arrowroot porridge. So guys, if you want to know a little more about arrowroot, just comment.
Watch Kayla and I can run this and it's a looking there, so.
Just comment, guys. So porridge finished now. Kayla go feed big spoon what I do with. Alright. Take up, so I'm going to serve one.
I turn off the stove.
So turn up your one little there, so.
Why?
Yeah. And that is the end. I'm going to serve.
Stop. Share the porridge and no. That's a mine. No put no mine yet, Stiff. Share for Kayla.
It's a few ends.
So now go cold by the time if you come out here.
No, me I carry on.
Oh.
It's a few ends.